So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the screenshot that you take on your laptop, Windows laptop or computers, will gets automatically backed up to the OneDrive. Now, in order to fix that, just simply open the OneDrive. You can easily find it on the system tray, on or the task manager, or you can simply search for OneDrive right there. Now, just simply open the OneDrive right there. Click on Settings and click on Settings again. Now here you'll see this option, multiple options right there. Now you just simply need to make sure that this option, that is save screenshot I capture to OneDrive, make sure that this option is set to off. Now once you set it to off, you'll notice that now your screenshot won't back up to OneDrive, and it will definitely gonna solve your problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.